Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to remove the Learn About This Picture icon that appears on your lock screen or after your computer wakes up from sleep mode. This icon is associated with the Windows Spotlight feature, and I'll show you how to disable it using a couple of simple methods. Method 1. Change the background from Windows Spotlight. Open the Start menu and type Settings. Select Settings from the results. Go to Personalization on the left side. Click on Background. In the drop-down under Personalize your background, choose anything other than Windows Spotlight. You can select a picture, solid color, or slideshow from your files. Once selected, the Spotlight feature, along with the Learn About This Picture icon, will no longer appear on the lock screen. Method 2. Disable Windows Spotlight through Command Prompt. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes to allow changes. You will need to input a specific registry command to fully disable Windows Spotlight. This command will be available in the description of this video. Copy it and paste it into the Command Prompt window by right-clicking the top bar, selecting Edit, and choosing Paste. Press Enter on your keyboard, and you should see a message saying, Operation completed successfully. Once done, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. By following these steps, you'll no longer see the Learn About This Picture icon on your lock screen or when coming back from sleep mode. These quick methods will help you customize your lock screen exactly how you want it. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.